junior high school. I have a trip. I had a trip with my school. Is junior high school Hangtuah 4, Surabaya. So we go to Jogja for 4 days in Jogja. We went at 7 p.m. and we arrived in Jogja at 6 a.m. So after we arrived in Jogja, we go to beach. We go to beach, and after that we go to Breaksea. We go to hotel in the evening. We have to sleep. We have to sleep. In the next day, we go to Malioboro. We go to Jeep. So we have so much fun in the Jeep, because in the Jeep we have 5 people and 1 driver. So this is so fun. After in Jeep, we have to have sky view. That is so beautiful view. We in there for a long time. Yeah, we have to dinner. We had to dinner and and we go to Surabaya, and maybe after pray Isha we go to Surabaya, and yeah, this is so beautiful day in my life, because I have a trip with my classmates, my teachers, and yeah, this is so fun. I wanna back to Jogja, but I wanna back with them. Maybe I think I can turn back time, because yeah, me and my friend have to lost contact, so we don't have to back to Jogja again. Okay, I think this is all from my story. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.